easy. Now, for today's video, yes, si Panda yon. I'm going to take you guys with me kasi this whole day mag-pamper lang tayo. I'm gonna do my nails and then hair color. Hopefully, okay siya for the hair color that I want. I'm vlogging with my phone right now kasi sira yung camera namin. So, bear with me. Okay. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys there.
I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. Yeah. I try not to show how I feel about you. Feels your way. But we don't really want to. I just wanna get away. I sit right next to you.
Sa mga Japanese hair salon, meron silang hair consultation. So, i-check nila yung hair mo bago gawin yung treatment or service na gusto mo. Isasabihin nila sa'yo kung anong treatment, hair color, hairstyle, yung bagay sa'yo. Di rin nila i-advise kapag sobrang madadamage yung hair mo. So, they will also ask the history of your hair, kung ilang beses ka nag-rebond, kung ilang beses ka na ba nag-color ng hair, is it bleach, rebonded ba siya, etc. etc. Like, as in, super inaaral nila yung hair mo, which I really like. It's so nice. Originally, this is the hair color that I want, pero sabi sa akin ni Hiro, this is too damaging for my hair kasi baka mag-fall off siya. So, we opted for my second choice, which is this photo. Pero I really wanted gray talaga. Hey guys, I'm already here na sa Kiyosa. So, this is located in BGC. And wow, sobrang layo. Pero okay lang. And ang ganda no place nila. Then, we're going to proceed with the bleaching process. Thankfully, isang beses lang i-bleach yung hair ko. I will always check my hair every now and then. Talagang ino-observe nila kung ano nilagay ng hair ko. Ayan na siya. It's cooking. I'm a blondie. So, I'm really excited sa outcome nito and ayun. OMG. She's a blonde na. Oh, grabe, sobrang dilaw. Lift agad yung hair ko. Ginto na lang ata gusto ko. Charot. Ash gray tayo since I'm so excited sis. Binili ka lang kanina yung mga spots ata na hindi masyado makulaya. Chine-check naman nila every now and then kung ano nang lagay niya. Kung sunog na ba or tsaka kung ready na siya for coloring. Alam niyo, dapat nagdala ako ng laptop. Kasar, dapat nagdala ko ng laptop para nakapag-work pa ako. Sabi ko na talaga eh. Kasi hindi ako nagdala. Akala ko mabilis lang. Now I'm bored. Nanonood na lang ako ng YouTube. And, ayan. Ang ganda pang vlog ng iPhone in fairness. I can really smell the bleach. Pero hindi siya strong. Like yung as in, sobrang tapang niya. This one, hindi ganun katapang. Sobrang tolerable niya. Kasi hindi naman nilagyan yung ends ng hair ko. Ang gagawin kasi is, faded siya, dark to light. Si Moms. Moms, how you doing? ilalagay nila yung hair color ko, which is yung ash gray. So, isa-style niya yung hair ko. I really love his technique of curling my hair. Ngayon ko lang to nakita. And ang ganda ng curls na ginawa niya. I love it. Let's proceed to my nail pampering session. So, gel nail art design yung gagawin sa akin. Meron silang iba't ibang designs to choose from. Pero pwede ka rin magpa-customize. Pakita mo lang yung gusto mong nail art. Then, yun. So, this is my hair right now after 2 wash. Pero yung una, gumamit ako ng purple shampoo. And then, nag-conditioner, syempre. So, ito na yung color niya ngayon. Hindi ko alam kung kita siya sa light. Mas kita yung color niya sa sunlight. Pero nakikita pa rin naman siya kahit yung normal light lang. Ayan. Medyo nag-fade na yung color niya. As you can see, meron na ditong color blue and then nagiging ashy blonde na yung iba. Anyways, I love it pa din. Kinabukasan nun, hindi ko winash yung hair ko. Hinayaan ko muna yung oils and everything. And then, yun, nag-purple shampoo ko the next day and conditioner. And then, ngayon, conditioner lang ang ginamit ko. Mukhang black kapag walang di ganon ka-okay yung ilaw. Pero, mapansin mo pa rin naman kahit paano na meron siyang, alam mo yun, gray going on. I was really surprised after nung hair coloring session namin kasi ang lambot ng hair ko, hindi siya, as in sobrang dry. Ngayon din, hindi siya ganun ka-dry. Kahit yesterday, nung nag-shampoo ako and conditioner, hindi siya ganun ka-dry. Yan, as you can see, parang healthy pa rin yung tignan. Conditioner lang to. Hindi siya matigas, malambot siya actually. I am so happy with the results. And I can't wait na mag-fade to kasi mas magiging lighter pa siya. And then, ito na yung nails ko. Ayan siya. Ganun pa rin. Maganda pa rin. If you guys want to know more about them, I'm gonna link their social medias sa baba and then sa screen. So you guys could check them out. Highly recommend that place kasi sobrang nice. Ang ganda nung interior, ang ganda sa loob. Professionally done pa lahat. And yun, high quality. So you can see naman. Wala akong masabi, ang ganda. Thank you so much, Kiyosa Total Japanese Beauty, for pampering me that day. And I really love everything. Babay ka ko dun. I swear. Meron silang legit talaga Japanese na gumagawa ng nails and then your hair din. And yung gumawa ng hair ko si Hiro, kung gusto nyong ma-achieve yung ganitong hair, si Hiro yung hanapin nyo doon. Kiyosa is located in BGC, if you guys are wondering. The F1 hotel sila located. Doon lang, katabi nung mismo. You can also do nail extensions there. And high quality na eyelash extensions. Yun, sobrang bait din nila doon lahat. Very accommodating. And yeah, I really enjoyed my pampering day with them. Yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy watching this video. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already. And join the hashtag Gucci Family My Gotsbees. And yep, I'll catch you guys again on my next one. Bye!